Welcome everyone. If you have been struggling to win in the forex classes, it's an opportunity for you to step ahead and position yourself because in this class I'll show you exactly how you can begin to win every single trade and how you can as well be profitable consistently. Follow me and watch this video to the end so you can learn one or two things. This is what we call market outlook. As you all know, we come into the market to tell you what exactly we are looking at, what's going to be pointing out in the next following week, and then what you should be expecting for this new week. Do not forget, last week I was here, I gave you out some trades, but I'm not going to go back on that. I'm going to be doing a separate video for that so we can do a recap, review, and market back testing on that. But for today, I want to show you some of the pairs I'm looking at for this new week. Do not forget last week, okay, I gave you this humongous buy. Where was it? Where was it last week? I just want to do a brief one last week. Yeah, I gave you that. Can we buying this one? Can we buying this one? And then just keep on. See, the buy was crazy, guys. Can you see? Just keep buying, and I'm so sure it's not. It hasn't stopped yet. So I'm expecting a pull around this point. This is a conjunction. This is a conjunction. So I'm expecting it to break this conjunction. Sorry, expecting to break this conjunction. Let me do it here. So any breakout on this conjunction and then retest above it, retest breakout, retest on it, we can enter for a buy and put our stop loss on around there. That is for Euro USD CHF. The buy is still very much active. I'm still considering a long buy on that. Aside from that, I'm also looking at this baby. I'm looking at this baby EURJPY. I'm looking at this baby a Mongoose long as well. We are looking to long this as well. But wait for the retest. We want you to retest back to this zone, then we can possibly long. That is on EURGBP. Aside from that, I'm also looking at gold. The gold digger, the gold digger, the gold digger. We were able to keep gold last week and then we milk it back to back. Gold was so interested. Everybody made about money. We made about 600 pips on gold last week. After doing this double top, came back here. We knew that gold was going to be reacting on this baby. Let me show you. On these two baby here, this is the last low we had, and that low we had is the third one. I used to tell my student every third bounce it will always react, but every fourth bounce, be careful. There may be a breakout or a breaking, any of the two, a breakout or a breaking. So having known that this is the third bounce, this is the first and second bounce, this is the third bounce, and then I waited for confirmation on the candlestick, then I opted it. Let me show you how we got an entry. Then we opted in. Then we opted in massively. We got an. Can you see? I tell my student that when you see this one, two, three, this candle, this three is what we call universal candlestick. For many of us, you do not know. There are what we call candlesticks within. You have to interpret candle. Interpret candle. So for me, I am capable of interpreting candlestick very well once I see it. Once I see two to three, four candles, I know how to interpret them, and of course, decode their language. I tell you guys that candlestick speaks languages, and from there, we're able to get our hands with a sniper entry for that matter, and we milk to this point. And get us to this point, we took profit, and we waited to see if there's going to be a reaction at this point. But market still pushing. Immediately pushed, I see that market breaks out structures, and of course, it's traded above our last high. Then we entered again for a massive buy till this point here. Then we took our profit. But right now, I'm still expecting it to still push past to this point. Then at this point level, I'm expecting to walk to short. So possibly you can find your entry, but right now it's not mature yet. Nothing that is showing at least you want to continue. But market is just resting. Market you can rest, can consolidate for 3 hours. The remaining 1 hour out of 4 hour candlestick it will use to move. Note that very well. Write it down right now. Markets only consolidate longer time. Out of 24 hours in a day, I can tell you categorically that market does more of consolidation about 18 hours and use just 6 hours to move. Out of that 6 hours, you can share it 1 hour or 2 hours doing New York, 1 hour or 2 hours doing London session, 1 hour or 2 hours doing Tokyo. So you can share those many 6 hours. But mostly what market does is what consolidation a lot out of those hours. So right now it's resting, and I believe once it confirms and gives you candlestick confirmations, then you can move to this point there. From there, we can be able to short. That is all good. Another baby I'm considering for the new week is USD. USDJPY. I'm expecting the same thing. I'm expecting it to break above, come in the test on the above here, then we put our stop loss here, then poof, buy. That is on that. I don't have much. I don't think I have much. I don't think I have much for this new week. I don't think I have much for this new week. I don't think I have much. I don't think I have much for the new week. I think that's all. I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all for this new week. That's all I would be expecting. And if there's any further arrangement, I would definitely communicate to you. Alright guys, please pay attention to this code. It's gonna be moving into a good quite setup. It's a good price setup, and that's all for today. That's all for today. I don't have much to say. Please and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course, you can learn from us on our Telegram. We have a lot of classes. We have started the classes, few free mentorship classes on our Telegram where you can also learn from us. We're having a currently trading on gold. How you can trade gold perfectly with entering and exit. How to do the right entering and how to exit properly strategy. How to get a sniper listing very low and all sorts of. We are trying currently having an ongoing free training that is going on. So you can join and of course learn and of course capitalize on that as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for those that want to learn on YouTube as well. Thank you for joining me once again. I wish you a profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.